In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram Reels that are not showing. Now, the first thing you have to do is to go to Play Store or App Store, and then tap on search bar and search for Instagram. Now that you're on Instagram, all you have to do is to check this button right here. If it says update, all you have to do is to update your Instagram to its latest model. If it says open, you can try this method. All you have to do is to go to settings, scroll down and tap apps, and then tap apps again. And then you need to search for Instagram. Now that you're on Instagram, all you have to do is to tap on storage and then clear cache. This will enable Instagram to restart the program. And then go to your Instagram. If this doesn't still work, all you have to do is to tap on profile and then tap on the three lines on the upper corner. And then you just have to scroll down and then tap help. And now you can report your problem on Instagram.